A very good day to all of you. Students, welcome to all of you in this HTML programming class. So student, today we create this type of table, and in that table there were different attribute of cell also used. Okay. So today we have to create this table. So this is your web page. Okay. The background is that is salmon. This is your heading, and this is the table, that is the first row, that is yellow background color, this is sky blue, and this is green. Okay, and the text appear inside the cell, that is black. Okay, and also your heading is black. Now how we have to create this? So HTML, head, title, head section close, body busy color equal to salmon, heading align equal to center. Let's create something new. This is your heading tag close, and the BR for making space as you need. Now we create table border equal to 2, border color equal to white, align equal to center, height equal to 50%, and width equal to 40%. And you see according to your table that this value supported. Table border equal to 1, border color white. Okay, and height and width, and table align center. Okay, now how we have to create the table cell? Student, you see in this table there were two columns. Okay, this first column and this second column. And how many total rows? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Total 4 rows and 2 columns. So student, we open the first row, and in first column you see this first column covered this column also. Okay, ये mammals, plant, fish, this column cover this column also. So we use call span is equal to 2. So see here in this coding, first tr open for first row, and in that first row there is first column, and in first column आपने जो ये text mammals, plant, fish that is written, that is as a heading. Okay, so we use th. Okay, th align equal to center, call span equal to 2 because it covered second column also, busy color yellow, and text is this tag close. And in the first row there were only this column present. Okay, so first row completed. Now open second row, and in second row also their text written, that is also as a heading. So we again use th, align equal to center, and row span is equal to 3. Why this is so? Because in your table this is second row. Okay, this is second row and this first column, and the first column cover this or span with this 3 row, 1 2 3. ये जो आपका ये जो सेकेंड रो का फर्स्ट कॉलम है, ये तीनों रो को कवर किया हुआ है. सो वी राइट रो स्पैन इज इक्वल टू 3. ओके, सो कम ऑन कोडिंग. Row span is equal to 3. BG color is sky blue. V align, that is vertical align equal to middle. Student, when we row span equal to 3, our text is also aligned vertically. So for this purpose we use V align attribute. क्योंकि जब हमारा जो सेल है वो अगर रो स्पैन 3 होगा तो वो वर्टिकली और अलाइन करेगा, एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट आवर कंटेंट ऑल्सो डिस्प्ले लाइक दिस. हमारा कंटेंट भी वैसा ही दिखना चाहिए. सो वी यूज वी अलाइन. There is a different value top, bottom and middle. So I am using here middle, and the text is mammals. And student, you see that their text written, that is mammal, and the other text are in different size. Okay, so for different size we all these farm animals, big games and small creature. Okay, this size is different from this mammal size. Okay, so we use font size is equal to 2. font tag हम यहाँ यूज करेंगे क्योंकि हमें इन टेक्स्ट को अलग साइज में डिस्प्ले कराना है. ओके, सो हम इन सभी टेक्स्ट को फॉन्ट टैग के अंदर ओपनिंग और क्लोजिंग के अंदर राइट करेंगे. ओके, एंड विद द हेल्प ऑफ BR टैग, बिकॉज इन दिस टेबल you see that your text one after one. Okay, and in middle or vertically aligned है. ठीक है, so we use for BR for breaking sentence. Now come on coding. font tag close and this way your table header जो आपका heading part open था वो यहाँ close हो जाएगा. Now second column में आपका क्या है, right green है busy color and what is written cow, and here we use TD. why? क्योंकि आपका जो cow written है that is not a header, as a heading नहीं written है, so we use TD. ठीक है, now second row completed. Now come on third row. The first column align equal to center, BG color light green and their text is pig. And in third row there is only one column because this जो सेकेंड रो का आपका जो फर्स्ट कॉलम था, ठीक है, ये अदर 2 रोज को आपको कवर कर लिया था. ठीक है, इसलिए ये आपका कॉलम यहीं पे फिनिक्स हो गया सेकेंड रो में ही. ओके, सो थर्ड रो जब हम ओपन करेंगे तो इन थर्ड रो ओनली दिस कॉलम प्रेजेंट. तो वी राइट TD अलाइन सेंटर. ओके, BG कलर ग्रीन एंड द टेक्स्ट इज दिस एंड TD क्लोज. नाउ this way third row open और third row में भी only this column present. Okay, this is covered by second. So now come in coding. This is your third row, TD align equal to center, BG color light green and pig written there close. Now fourth row, okay, only one column and TR close, table close, body close and HTML close. So student, this way you have to use another attribute of table cell, that is BG color, vertical align. Okay, align. If you want to text not display in center, okay, you use align equal to left or align equal to right according to your table need.